Mr. Mechanic, my car broke down. Please help me.
Alright, come by and see what's wrong. So let's see what happened to this car.
Let's do a diagnostic first. The diagnostics showed that it is necessary to weld the engine. I need to replace the ball joints, I need to replace the calipers, and I need to install a spoiler for aerodynamics. Necessary to weld the engine. I need to replace the ball joints. I need to replace the calipers. And I need to install a spoiler for aerodynamics. Thank you. Everything was done at the highest level. I will recommend you to my friends and colleagues. All the best.
Thank you, mechanic, for a great job done. My car is unrecognizable. Thank you.
So let's go over again what we've done with the Amigas cars. The engine. The engine that drives the car. Without it, the car won't go anywhere. Let's repeat engine. We also replaced the ball joints and steering knuckles, which are responsible for steering and stability and maneuvering. The next important part we changed in the car is the caliper. That is the part responsible for braking and safe stopping of the car. The next detail for better aerodynamics, we installed a spoiler, or also called anti-fender. Let's do the spoiler again. Thank you for being with us until we see you soon in Gnome Repair with new friends of our children's auto service.